So if you want to use Seedance 2.0 completely for free, and I mean unlimited, and generate crazy AI videos like the ones you're seeing right now, then you are at the right place. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 secret AI tools you will definitely be able to use Seedance 2.0 for free. Let's get into it. Alright, so the very first AI tool on our list is called Videoinu. Once you land on the site, go ahead and hit that start button. You're going to see an option right on the screen that says, try Seedance 2.0. Click that. Then tap Login. No account yet? No worries. Just look for the sign up for free button and hit that instead. From there, it's super easy. Just drop in your email address, type in your name, and verify the code they send you. Literally takes like a sec. That's it. The moment you log in, guys, look at the screen. We already got 500 free credits just like that. And if you go ahead and finish those quick little survey questions they show you, you'll score an extra 200 credits on top of that. So that's 500 plus 200. We're sitting at 700 credits right off the bat. And if you log in daily and join their Discord server, you can stack up even more extra credits. Now, go ahead and click where it says Try Seedance 2. Then, inside the video model section, select Seedance 2.0 Fast. You can set everything right there. Your aspect ratio, duration, resolution, all of it. Then just paste in your prompt and hit generate. Easy. Within just a few minutes, your first AI video is going to be ready.
How much for the flowers?
For Her Highness of Verona, there is no cost.
Thank you.
Pretty awesome, right? The second AI tool on our list is Note GPT. To use Note GPT, head to their website and go into the AI video generator section. Once you're in there, you'll see both Seedance 2.0 AI models available. Tap on Profile, then hit Login with email. Now, if you're brand new here, go ahead and hit Sign Up. Here's the thing though, for this part, you're gonna need a .edu email address. So let me show you exactly how to get that. There's a website where you can grab a free .edu email address. The link is in the description, so go check that out. Once you're there, just copy the email it gives you. Then head back to Note GPT's sign-up page, paste that email in, set yourself a new password, slide to confirm, and hit submit, and you'll automatically get an email verification sent to your temp mail. Go back to the temp mail website and hit refresh on your temp mail inbox, scroll down a little bit, and you'll see the Note GPT email come through. Open that email and you'll see it says, Welcome to Note GPT. Tap on that link. Within just a few seconds, your email is fully verified and you're good to go. Now go back, tap on AI video, and head into the AI video generator. Now here's something to keep in mind. When you pick any Seedance 2.0 model in Note GPT, it uses over 100 credits per video. If you check your profile, you'll probably see you only have 15 basic credits and 0 premium credits. But no worries. Here's the secret method. Tap on this upgrade, then tap that little gift icon, and then hit Upgrade Now again. Click View All Plans, and then tap on Education. And guys, I'm telling you, nobody has made a video showing this for literally $0 per month, no credit card needed. You get 1,000 basic credits for free and few premium credits. Hit where it says Get 1 month for free, and just like that, your account is upgraded and verified. Go back and check your profile. Your basic credits are now 1,000, and your premium credits jump to 100. That's huge! Now you can actually generate Seedance 2.0 videos from here. You can upload a reference video or an image, paste in your prompt, set your resolution, duration, audio, and when you're ready, just tap Generate Video. Within a few seconds, your first video is going to be done. Something like this. And to download it, just tap the blue download icon and it's yours. All right, the third and final AI tool on our list today is Rita AI. So here's the deal. Without signing up, you get 10 free credits. But once you sign up, you get 100 credits, which you can use to generate Seedance 2.0 videos. Just tap Login, sign in with your Google account or your temp email, verify the code, and your dashboard opens up just like that. Now up at the top, you'll see Try Now. Click that. And guys, a UI that looks clean and intuitive, and you'll see you already have 100 free credits waiting for you. Now, to actually use Seedance 2.0 here, you can upload your image, paste your prompt, and just like I mentioned earlier, you've got both Seedance 2.0 options available right here. From there, you can choose the exact duration that fits your video perfectly. whether it's short, long, or anything in between. Pick any aspect ratio you want. Choose your resolution from the options, tweak the settings, and once everything looks good, just hit generate. In a few seconds, your result is ready. When you're ready to download, just tap here and the video will save directly to your device in seconds. And that's a wrap for today's video, guys. I really hope these 3 secret AI tools help you generate Seedance 2.0 videos totally for free. All the tool links are in the description. Go grab it. And if you want to see part 1 of the free and unlimited Seedance 2.0 video guide, just tap on that video and check it out. See you in the next one.